Welcome back. An inmate lodged in Central Jail at Agwad is claiming threat to his life from suspended jailer Mahesh Fatte. The inmate has filed an application before the Children's Court seeking security inside the jail. The court has forwarded the application to IG Prisons for necessary action.
Inmate has raised question over security inside Central Jail at Agwada. Inmate filed an application before the Children's Court on Monday seeking security inside jail. In his application, the inmate has expressed fear of threat to his life from suspended jailer of Sada Jail at Vasco, Mahesh Fatte. The inmate has alleged that he was beaten badly by the gangster inmates on the inducement of jail officials. The inmate was previously lodged at Sada Jail at Vasco and had exposed illegal sale of banned stuff like drugs and liquor inside the jail. Prudent's expose on the affairs and inquiry thereafter resulted in suspension of the jailer Mahesh Fatte. The Children's Court has forwarded the application to the IG Prisons for necessary action. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Many project me as a Hitler or a villain. I am not bothered. I take it as a compliment. These are the words of Chief Minister of State Manohar Parrikar. He was speaking on the occasion of function organized by Photojournalist Association of Goa on World Photography Day.
एखाद्या मनशाक जेन्ना परत परत लोक गाडी घालता तेन्ना बाकीच्या लोकांक कुतूहल निर्माण जाता हो मनीस इतलो पावरफुल कित्याक की जो हाका मेळत तो मनीस गाडी घालता पत्र आशिल्लो हाचो अर्थ हाका भियेतात म्हाका हिटलर म्हणटात फॉर एक्झाम्पल इट इज एन कॉम्प्लिमेंट एक्चुअली बिकॉज नो वन हू gave bad words to Hitler ever survived.
Parrikar felicitated some of the senior photojournalists.
चित्रकले संघटक छायाचित्रकला आणि हस्तकला कार्यातही तांचो मोलाचो वावर आसा. अपना उत्सव प्रदर्शनात केले. 3 वर्सां एका खासगी फोटो स्टुडियोत तांणी काम केले. छायाचित्रणाची तांकां खूप आवड. 1976 वर्सा मुंबई फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीत फोटोग्राफी शिकपाक गेले.
He feels photojournalism as one of the powerful medium.
लक्षात येता. फोटो जर्नलिझम हे कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन एक्सपोज करपाक एकदम पावरफुल मिडियम आसा. This contradiction can be expressed through a facial expression of a person or through many other media. त्यामुळे म्हाका दिसता photo journalism is an art which is much complicated and much difficult to get in.
Some of the unique pictures and cameras were kept on display at the function. Laukik Shilkar and Chetan Gowers for Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, don't worry. If you have an Android-based phone, just download our app and watch the latest news from Goa whenever you want. And with this, we conclude this news bulletin here. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.